Howdy viewers, welcome to another episode of Howdy A8. I'm George,
I'm Adam.
and we're here to tell you what we've been up to on Klaus. So in the last couple of weeks, we have changed the coils on the car. We have repaired the latch or the cable for the bonnet release. We've changed the spark plugs, and we've secured the air filter as well. So we've been quite busy. We haven't filmed it all, but if you want to check it out, please head over to our Instagram or Facebook page and check out some pictures that we've posted. Right now we're outside taking advantage of the sun, and we're going to be doing a compression test. If you've been following us on Instagram and Facebook, you would have seen we have a bit of a chocolate milkshake situation going on. So Adam, why don't you explain what we're going to do now?
Okay, so we, like George said, we've got a compression tester. We're going to connect that to each of the cylinders individually, crank it over. That's going to measure the compression in that cylinder. Going to do that on all 8, obviously, and then compare them. And hopefully those will all be as they should be. If one or more is significantly lower, then we know we've got a problem, which means that, you know, probably the head gasket is gone and we're losing compression that way.
Yeah.
If that is the case,
We're just going to throw it away and start again.
we are going to try, what was that product called?
Blue Devil?
Yeah,
Blue
which is supposed to sort of plug the leak in the head gasket. We're going to try that and hope for the best if we have got a bad compression on one of the cylinders. If not, then one of
Throw it
the
away and start again.
no, what I was going to say is if the compression is good, then what that hopefully means, what we've found online, is that that milkiness on the cap could just be from extended idling in cold temperatures. It could just be condensation that's mixed with the oil, making it go that milky color. So that's what we're hoping for. That will be the first prize.
Cool. All right, let's get to it.
Let's do it.
One more, but okay. Okay, I'll tell you when to stop.
Guess.
Okay.
Guess what it is.
180. for 90. Yeah, I told you. I told you, let's do it when it's got some juice.
Wunderbar.
190?
190.
Where's that from?
That.
Oh, yes.
180.
Yes, that's right.
No, those last few
Yeah, we need to
compressions.
leave it.
Yeah. Those
Where
last
did it
few
get to?
compression strokes
Yeah.
didn't.
Yeah, okay, we need to leave it. So we need to do something while this thing charges.